Okay, guys, I'm going to do a video on this because it just got brought up again. Uh, if you need to solder on a playfield, doing it like this would suck. Or actually, here. So take the lock bar out, take the glass out, that stuff. Take the ball out. So, yeah, if you were doing it this way, or even pulling the playfield back, resting against the head, um, still pretty bad. Or in here, like this, the very end of my arcade has a low ceiling. I can't even lift it up all the way. So that would even be worse. So uh, I have these. These are microfiber bath towels off Amazon. It's like 3 for $15, and they're bigger than like the glass of the playfield, so they work great. But um, I use them like I set them on the glass of one machine if I'm using it as a table for like my tools and stuff. I know they're not tables, but if I'm using it as a table while I'm working on a different game, so take this, just set it over the receiver, less exposed metal. Take the ball out. So you're going to pull the playfield out just a little bit, and then either hand underneath or on top. I find underneath is a little bit easier. So back it up a little bit so you can get your hand under here. Lift it up. Barrel roll, and then of course, be nice and gentle with it. Set it back down. I kind of watch the edge and make sure it stays right there next to it. There you go. Now you just can solder, do all your work like it's a flat table. You're not going to hurt anything. You can still test with this on too. So if I wanted to, wonder if you can see it go in track mode. So there you go. So I mean, I wouldn't have it on while you're flipping it over just in case. But yep, there you go. My only tip, keep an eye on the harness. You want to make sure because you don't want to keep rolling it the same direction. So always try to go. So this time I'd want to take it towards me. Grab, lift it straight up. Get rid of your towel. There you go. It's all done.